Okay guys, I'm back. I made my ring band. You know how you measure, you just place the bezel and the ring band around your finger, and when you think you can reach it, that's it. The last row of your ring band should be those two up beads in the middle. That is how should look your last row. So two open sides, you know what count peyote stitch. Why? Because here we have those up beads on the other side, so we need to place those two between them. What is the middle? Well, middle is, if you can count all those empty spaces, but also the beads, so empty spaces, and see where is the middle from one side. And when you have it from this side and this side the same, then the rest what is left, that is where you have to connect it. You can also see it by you know, like me, I just see that this is the middle. I fold my ring band and I see that is the middle, so that means that I have to zip up those beads to those 3 beads here on the other side. My thread exit through the low bead. I have to pass through the bead on the bezel here. Then, so just zipping up, pass through the next up bead on the ring band, pass through the next up bead, we call it up, yeah, on the ring band, on the bezel. And that is the one. Take careful now, because it's very tight. Now up bead on the ring band, then the next bead in the same row on the bezel, and pull the thread, so we have zigzag like a zipper. So now just pull the thread tight. I'm going to turn it and pull the thread tight. Now, as we said, when you zip up the sides, here can stay, those 2 beads are not connected, so this one and this one, you have to pass back through the bead on the ring band and pull the thread tight. So you should enforce this connection. You can pass now through this bead on the, so enforce it. You can pass through all those beads on the ring band and tight and pull the thread tight, because there is still some space here. That's not so much space. Let's see this one. Okay, now we can also pass through the bead on the bezel. So here you have to be careful and not overreact, because you can break the bead. Now from the bead on the bezel, I go up back through the bead on the ring band, and finally I'm going now zigzag through the beads to secure the thread, and finally cut the thread. So where is it? Okay, now here you can also embellish your, I will show you in one of the next lesson how to embellish the sides in peyote stitch. So you can also embellish the ring band, not necessary, but you can do it, etc, etc. So now cut the thread and you have your ring. Ring is finished. Your project, your ring is finished. Congratulations. See you in the next lesson.